Active DSD is a dietary supplement that may help to promote weight loss and contains ingredients that are effective in weight loss, such as Garcinia cambogia extract powder, hibiscus extract, green tea extract powder. Mix 1 packet of Active DSD with 200 milliliters of water and take once a day. Active DSA is a dietary supplement that contains ingredients that help to promote weight loss, such as lemon balm extract, mulberry leaves extract, Artemisia princeps pamps extract. Active DSS contains sweet tangle laminaria japonica extract, Salicomia herbaceae extract, Alea arborescens extract to help promote active bowel movements. Active DS Pro is a meal replacement that contains whey protein concentrated powder, whey protein isolate powder, soy protein isolate powder, and beetroot extract powder. As a meal replacement, dissolve 25 grams in 200 milliliters of milk or water and enjoy.